Beta 2019 Beta 125 RRS. Back on some single tracking and in the wrong gear. This is a Flowy trail, so I think my next thing is I have a normal Voyager GPS. Now the black and white guys are kind of what you get on the Beta 500. I need to update it, and I even have a billet mount for that one, and I think mount that on it here. And then when I sell the bike, after I'm done using it, that'll just be one of those things that you get with it. Well, one cool aspect of this bike is that the passenger pegs on my daughter, I kind of talked about that before, but I was thinking more about it, and the reason why I wouldn't want to get an African twin or any adventure bike is because how much is she going to like riding with me? To spend like $15,000, $18,000, $20,000 on a motorcycle, and her be like, after a couple times, like, nope. This is kind of like, well, if she likes it, and this isn't the most comfortable with us both on, but, you know, if she's having fun, and I wouldn't go too far, then you know, I could see the fun factor enough that I would spend the money so my daughter's happy. Riding with dad, you know? So that's our nice thing, that this having the passenger pegs, I'm able to test that aspect for a cheap price. And I don't know how much I'll be able to sell this for when I'm done. But whatever I lose, will mean it was that much less I lost if I bought a big bike and find out she's like, nope. And then I'm kind of like, oh, well, now I have this big bike. And I'm not going to say I personally wouldn't enjoy the big bike. I would, but, you know, I would be back to riding more street and dirt roads. Which kind of is where this puts you. Can this do trails? Sure. Is it made for the single track and hard trails? No. I can tell the suspension is lacking on this single track that's bumpy. Is it, can you do it? Yes. Is it plush? No. Would I bring my daughter like back here? No. Would not be comfortable or safe. Seat's not that long. Bounce her right off the back. This part always overgrows. Where is it? Where is it? It is this way. Yep. I was in third. Over a small log, you pretty much plow through it. Can't pick the front up. Okay, well, riding this is also going to make me appreciate when I have guys on these. I have a buddy that has one, and yeah, the stuff I'm doing and stuff he has to work at. Like, yeah, I wouldn't even dare go over that. Maybe once I get the skid plate, I'll try, but... Oh yeah, I forgot about this one. That's, right here's the skinniest. Not enough weight of the bike. Woo-wee. Whoa. Ugh. Well, yeah, there's not enough weight of the bike when I pop it to kind of... That thing's annoying. That kind of splashes. Okay, I'm here Woohoo! This way. But I just find that pretty cool that I can test riding 2-up with my daughter with this and just, you know, go around the neighborhood and, you know, local.